There are a whole bunch of stars lining up for 24 nations taking part at Euro 2024, and those hoping to take home glory will also have an eye on individual awards. और अगर किसी भी इंडिविजुअल को प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट कॉन्कर करना है देन उसे टीम के सक्सेस में की रोल प्ले करना होगा. Gianluigi Donnarumma won the award at Euro 2020 thanks to some exceptional performances saving crucial goals for Italy. But there are a huge numbers of high profile players ahead of him in this power rankings for this summer honor. सिर्फ टूर्नामेंट जीतना बिल्कुल भी मैटर नहीं करता है टू विन इंडिविजुअल अवार्ड्स. काफ़ी सारे दूसरे एक्सपेक्ट भी मैटर करते हैं लाइक डिसीजन मेकिंग, परफॉर्मेंस थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट, लीडरशिप एंड कैरिंग टीम. अब ये अवार्ड इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था बैक इन 1996 and has been won by such sporting stars like Zinedine Zidane and Andre Iniesta. So now let's take a look on a player who are claimed to be the player of the tournament. At number 8 there is Bukayo Saka. इंग्लैंड एज अ नेशन फेवरेट है यूरो 2024 का और इंग्लैंड से ही 3 मोर स्टार्स हमें देखने मिलते हैं फॉर द प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट अवार्ड. उन्हें भी हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. बकायो साका काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लासिक फॉर्म में है फॉर हिज क्लब एंड कंट्री ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स. ऑल्सो ही विल बी लुकिंग टू बैनिश द डेमन ऑफ अ क्रूशियल फाइनल पेनल्टी मिस अगेंस्ट इटली इन यूरो 2020. अगर साका अच्छे से परफॉर्म करे इन दिस टूर्नामेंट और टीम को हेल्प करे टू प्रोग्रेस देन ही विल बी इन कंटेंशन फॉर द प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट अवार्ड विच कम्स द एंड ऑफ द जून. Number 7 is Kevin De Bruyne. Failed to find success during Belgium golden generation. The responsibility to lead on the pitch sits straightly on Kevin De Bruyne's shoulders. Here are the international stats of him. Eden Hazard और विंसेंट कॉम्पनी के रिसेंट रिटायरमेंट के बाद मैनचेस्टर सिटी का मिडफील्डर De Bruyne is one of the elder statesmen among a group of players who are looking to obtain a trophy that their ex-players could not. De Bruyne के लिए मोस्टली ये फाइनल चांस होने वाला है for his nation. And if he can hit the ground running, he will certainly be in contention for the best player award. At number 6, we have the GOAT, the Portuguese superstar, Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo may firmly be in the twilight stages of his playing career. You would be remiss to doubt Cristiano Ronaldo's focus and ambition to win a second European Championship for his beloved Portugal. Honestly guys, as a true football fan, I want to see him winning Euro 2024. Although वो काफ़ी अच्छे फॉर्म में भी है for the past years. और recently he scored a stunning goal which was banger in friendly match, जो डिफाइन करता है उसका एक्टिव फॉर्म. और एक बार बंदे के स्टैट्स पर नज़र डालो, a legend whose stat speaks. He had received the golden boot back in Euro 2020. Ronaldo will be looking to go one better this time and further cements his footballing legacy by picking up the Player of the Tournament award. One thing is for sure, CR7 will want the spotlight firmly on him. Number 5 is Toni Kroos. Recently Kroos ने announce किया है his retirement from professional football after Euro 2024. Kroos ended his international exile to have one last celebration for Germany on home soil at this tournament. And if D-Manshaft do the business this summer, then the sentimental vote could go to the veteran player. Having already won the FIFA World Cup in Brazil back in 2014, the European Championship is the only trophy left for Kroos to add to his already glittery cabinet. Kroos was instrumental in helping guide Real Madrid to Champions League final and assisting Los Blancos to their 15th UCL triumph, and he could play a key role in summer success for his country too. अगर ऐसा होता है और जर्मनी यूरो जीत जाती है देन मोस्टली क्रूज विल गेट हिज बेस्ट फेयरवेल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट अवार्ड. अगर आप वीडियो को एंजॉय कर रहे हो देन लाइक कर दो, ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब कर दो. एट नंबर 4 वी हैव फिल फोडेन. द 23-24 सीजन वॉज अ कमिंग ऑफ एज कैंपेन फॉर फिल फोडेन who helped Manchester City to win 4th consecutive Premier League title. Foden bagged 19 goals for City this season and he will have a crucial role to play in the front line for England this summer too. And plenty of opposition's defense could find him too hot to handle. बस एक ही चीज़ है जो इसे रोक रही है is to translate club form to the international stage, something he has to struggle to do consistently. Number 3 is Harry Kane. Harry Kane could follow Alan Shearer's Golden Boot footsteps if England prolonged their stay in this competition. Shearer was the last England striker to win the top scorer award at Euro 96, but he could not take home the player of the tournament trophy. England काफ़ी फेवरेट है for this tournament amongst other team, and only because of the England striker will get plenty of opportunity to stake his claim to the top scorer as well as the best player in the entire competition. Since leaving Tottenham Hotspur and Premier League last summer, Kane has upped his game after joining Bayern Munich and directly had a hand in 56 goals this season, scoring on 44 occasions. That kind of form makes him a lively contender to land the top individual prize, and he will be more motivated than ever to bring home a trophy for England. At number 2, Real Madrid's rising superstar Jude Bellingham. इंग्लैंड के सारे सुप्रीम टैलेंट से अगर कंपेयर करें देन जूड बेलिंगम पीक पर है ऑफ दिस बंच, have played a starring role for Real Madrid on their way to La Liga success and the Champions League final. If the midfield powerhouse can continue his fine domestic form on the international stage, it could propel him for this award too, especially if England finally live up to their expectations and are victorious in this tournament. Also being awarded the number 10 shirt for England for the tournament, Southgate's beliefs in Bellingham's importance for his country's success is clear for all to see. अब बारी है नंबर 1 की. तुम में से काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने गेस कर लिया होगा ऑफ नंबर 1. If yes, then comment down the name. Real Madrid's upcoming legend, Mbappe. Kylian Mbappe is no stranger to impacting on the world's biggest stage. In 2022, at the Qatar World Cup, Mbappe was second only to the Lionel Messi in the player of the tournament ranking. Still, he is favourite to go one better at Euro 2024 this summer, following confirmation of his transfer to Real Madrid from PSG. The French superstar bagged the hat-trick in the World Cup final, and he is expected to lead France in Euro. Mbappe ने 7 goals score किए in his last 8 games for France. He will be hoping to scoop an award that teammate Griezmann was able to take home in 2016. when France were the host nation. That's all guys. If you really like this video then मेरे channel को subscribe कर दो for more this kind of content. Next video will be about the best clash to watch of Euro 2024. And also comment down your favorite for the Euro 2024 Best Player Award.